In today's video, I'm going to be going over my MailerLite review. Now, I want to touch on this because if you look through the different reviews that are on YouTube, the majority of them, if not all of them, are out of date. So there's been quite a few changes to MailerLite, and I felt it was needed to go ahead and show what currently reflects MailerLite right now. So how I'm going to go through this is we're going to just do a walkthrough of MailerLite, and then I'm going to go over my pros and cons at the end. So be sure to stick to the end of this video. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, here at Brand the Boss, we talk everything make money online. That's affiliate marketing, network marketing, digital marketing, and that also includes the tools that we as online marketers or business owners use, like MailerLite. So if at any point you happen to like this content, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel as well if you want to see more of these things as well. So let's go ahead and just jump on into this. Alright, so here at the dashboard of MailerLite, well, not the dashboard, but the home page, this is what you'll see when you go to MailerLite.com. Now, I invite you to actually look at all of this stuff, but right here is what's most important, is this pricing. So we're going to go over what you'll get as a free member of MailerLite. So as you can see here, you get up to 1,000 subscribers. You get it free. Send up to 12,000 emails per month, and you get the limited features as well. So once you actually go into signing up with MailerLite, of course you'll hit the sign up button. You're going to have to fill out some information, and it takes about 12 hours for them to approve you, if they do approve you. Now, what I've seen on a case-by-case basis, sometimes once they do approve you, they might not always approve you for the full 1,000 subscribers. They might only approve you for up to 500. And that really all depends upon how you answer the questions and what business it is that you have that you're going to be using for MailerLite, because they're asking that. They want to know about you and your business. So sometimes that dictates how you know, how many subscribers they'll allow you to have on a monthly basis. So, but once you've actually signed up and you've logged in, you're going to come to this dashboard area. Now here at this dashboard, it's going to showcase your unique subscribers. It's going to show your plan. You're going to see your subscriber growth, all your campaign stats, your different automations as far as how many emails were sent out, and your forms as well. Now this right here, you see I have 125 unique subscribers. This is not my my go-to autoresponder. It's not my primary one. I use this one just to shoot out little email blasts here and there. I use a different autoresponder as my primary for my business. So that's why I only have 125 subscribers right here. So once you've actually left this dashboard, you can go to the campaign section, and here at the campaigns, I don't have any right now, but you can basically create a campaign, which is an email blast. So once you've come up to your campaign, all you'll do is fill out the subject of your email. You can put in your name or your business name, and you put in the email, and then you choose the language that you want to use, and then you click on here to create your actual content for your email. Now you have different choices when it comes to campaigns. You can do a regular campaign, you can do an A/B split campaign, which all it does is you can test out two different subject lines to see which one gets the best open rate. They have the auto resend, which is a upgrade, so this is a paid feature, but all it's going to do is it'll automatically resend emails or campaigns out to contacts that don't open it up the first time. And then you can do your RSS campaign. So what this is if you have a blog, you just take the RSS feed URL of your actual website, and you plug it in here. And what this will do is whenever your blog generates new content, it'll just send an email out to your list letting them know, of the content that just got published on your blog. So it's a pretty cool thing. So here at the subscribers section is you'll see a whole list of all your subscribers, and it talks about your segments, your groups, your different fields, the stats for your subscribers, basically if they're opening your emails or if they're clicking anything in your emails. And then you have the clean up inactive area, where you can actually clean up your list based upon people who are not opening your emails, or if they've been on your list for a few months and they just haven't opened up your emails. You can clean them up automatically with just one click. It'll automatically filter through your list and pull up a certain number of contacts in there, and you can just go ahead and delete them off your list. You want to have that's something that you want to do on a regular basis, is clean up your list, because it can actually hurt your open rates. Or if you have too many people on your list that aren't opening your emails, then what's going to happen is your emails are going to start going to the junk mail. So that's something that you want to do. So here at this form section, they have different forms here. You can do pop-ups, you can do landing page forms. Now their landing page forms their landing pages are actually pretty cool. It's definitely not as robust as a software that is dedicated to making landing pages like ClickFunnels, but if you just need one or two to make every so often, then this will do the trick. And you can do embedded forms. These are very good to put on the sidebar of your blogs. And then you have promotional pop-ups. So if you're running a promotion on your website, then you can just create a pop-up of whatever it is that you're actually promoting and embed it onto your site, and it'll be there to pop up. So we have this automation section, and what this really is where you're going to create your actual workflows. So I'm not going to create a workflow here. I'll actually direct you over to my blog post where I have shown a workflow and how it looks of my actual MailerLite review. But all this really is, you'll create a workflow for your different lists. So this is where you'll have somebody that will enter your email list, and then they'll go into a group, and then it'll segment them onto what they do from here. So this is where you'll assign multiple emails to have sent to your subscribers. So let's jump over to my pros and cons for MailerLite. So what I do like about MailerLite is they have a free plan, which is up to 1,000 subscribers. It's very easy to use. Their interface is very clean and it's sleek. They support automations and workflows, and they have very good segmentation rules as well. Now, what I don't like too much about MailerLite is I think they're missing some pro features that you would get for free with some other autoresponders as well. They have a very strict approval process. So depending upon what kind of business you're doing, if you're maybe an affiliate marketer, this might not be the thing for you. And if you decide that you want to do this as an affiliate marketer, you definitely don't want to put your affiliate links in the email. So you might want to send them to a bridge page or a YouTube video or your blog post, because they will shut your account down. So you want to play it safe. Another thing is you can't create emails without leaving the visual workflow editor. So with other autoresponders, you're able to, with some of them, you're able to create your emails within the workflow section or the editor. This, you have to actually leave and go to a new page. It's not that big of a deal, but if you're accustomed to the ease of not having to leave the page to create your emails, then this could be something that bugs you. And what also, you can't use form building templates in the free plan. This is one of the big changes that has happened. So if you look at any of the other YouTube videos, you'll see that they used to let you use the templates for their forms. Now they don't do that anymore. That is a paid thing, and you have to build your forms pretty much from scratch. So those are the major pros and cons that I've come across. But in all reality, for the price of MailerLite, it has the majority of what you would need. So it is definitely a better alternative to something like MailChimp or anything like that, because it's just more robust. So it's definitely something I will take a look at. Now, if you do want to have a look at this blog post, it will be in the description, and there will also be a link for you to sign up to MailerLite as well, if that's something that you want to do. So I thank you for watching this. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe. And I'm Mike with Brand the Boss, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.